Hello friends, welcome to Exam Droid, your study partner. In this video, we will discuss the most important current affairs of 8th February. Who has been appointed as the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is Rajiv Ranjan. Rajiv Ranjan is appointed as the Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu. And talking about Tamil Nadu, the capital is Chennai, the governor is Banwadilal Purohit, and the Chief Minister is Edapadi K. Palaniswamy. Next question. With which vaccine manufacturer of India, UNICEF has entered into a long-term supply pact for COVID-19 vaccines? The correct answer is Serum Institute of India. With Serum Institute of India, UNICEF has entered into a long-term supply pact for COVID-19 vaccine. Talking about Serum Institute of India, it is headquartered in Pune and the CEO is Adar Poonawalla. And talking about UNICEF, the full form is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It is headquartered in New York, United States, and the head of UNICEF is Henrietta H. Fore. Next question. Which organization gets Mahatma Award 2020 for COVID-19 humanitarian efforts? The correct answer is Jindal Steel and Power Limited. Jindal Steel and Power Limited is awarded with Mahatma Award 2020. And talking about Jindal Steel and Power Limited, it is headquartered in New Delhi and the chairman is Navin Jindal. Next question. Health Minister inaugurates Kerala's first human milk bank. The question is, who is the Health Minister of Kerala? The correct answer is KK Shailaja. KK Shailaja is the Health Minister of Kerala. And this first human milk bank is named as Nectar of Life and it is opened at Ernakulam General Hospital. And talking about Kerala, the capital is Thiruvananthapuram, the governor is Arif Muhammad Khan, and the chief minister of Kerala is Pinarayi Vijayan. Next question. Which city hosted Euro India 2021? The correct answer is Bengaluru. Bengaluru hosted the Euro India 2021. And this year, the 13th edition of Euro India show was celebrated. And this was hosted in Bengaluru's Elahanka Air Force Station. Next question. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi addressed the Diamond Jubilee of Gujarat High Court. The question is, who is the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court? The correct answer is Vikram Nath. Vikram Nath is the Chief Justice of Gujarat High Court. Talking about Gujarat, the capital is Gandhinagar, the governor is Acharya Devvrat, and the Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani. Next question. Who becomes the first woman to lead World Trade Organization? The correct answer is Ozzy Okonjo-Iweala. Ozzy Okonjo-Iweala becomes the first woman to lead World Trade Organization. Talking about the World Trade Organization, it is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Next question. International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation is observed on which day? The correct answer is on February 6th. This International Day is observed on February 6th. And this year the theme was No Time for Global Inaction, Unite Fund and Act to End Female Genital Mutilation. And this day is observed in order to spread awareness and educate people about the problems females face due to genital mutilation. Next question. Christopher Plummer passed away recently. He was related to which field? The correct answer is actor. He was an Oscar-winning Canadian actor. Next question. Joint military exercise Yudh Abhyas begins in Rajasthan. This is a military exercise between India and which country? The correct answer is United States. Yudh Abhyas is a military exercise between India and US. Talking about United States, the capital is Washington DC and the president is Joe Biden. Next question. In which city India has set up its first wetland conservation and management center? The correct answer is Chennai. In Chennai, India has set up its first wetland conservation and management center. And the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is Prakash Javadekar. Next question. A newly discovered species of chameleon could be world's smallest reptile. The question is, in which location this is discovered? The correct answer is Madagascar. This chameleon is discovered in Madagascar. And the scientist has named this chameleon as Brucasia nana, and the male species length is about half inch and the female is about 1 inch. Next question. Who has been named as the most valuable celebrity by Duff and Phelps? The correct answer is Virat Kohli. Indian cricketer Virat Kohli is named as the most valuable celebrity by Duff and Phelps. Next question. Who has been appointed by Google Cloud as the managing director for India? The correct answer is Bikram Singh Bedi. Bikram Singh Bedi is appointed by Google Cloud as the managing director for India. Now here are the answers to the quiz of 7th February. The first question was, which country plans to construct world's largest offshore wind farm? The correct answer is South Korea. And the second question is, which state launched Sun's campaign to reduce infant mortality? And the correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Now here are the questions for quiz of 8th February. The first question is, which state of India will set up a multi-purpose sewage park? And the second question is, which bank launched Fed for Saving Account scheme for children? You have to comment your answer in the comment box and I will share the correct answer in the next video. That's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel Exam Droid so that you can get regular current affair updates. Thank you.